Introduction. Hello everyone, and welcome. When you think of Australia, perhaps Sydney's Opera House or Melbourne's laneways come to mind. But there's a hidden gem down under that's brimming with charm, culture, and incredible experiences: Adelaide, South Australia. Known as the 20-minute city, it offers stunning natural beauty, world-class food and wine, and a vibrant art scene, all with an incredibly relaxed and friendly vibe. Today, we're diving into why Adelaide is truly an amazing city you need to discover. Get ready to be charmed by Australia's festival capital. 1. The 20-minute city, effortless exploration. One of Adelaide's biggest draws is its incredible accessibility. Compact and easy to navigate, imagine a city designed with ease in mind. Adelaide is meticulously planned, with wide boulevards and a clear grid system, making it incredibly simple to explore. You won't get lost here. Close proximity to everything. The nickname 20-minute city isn't an exaggeration. You can get from the city centre to the beautiful beaches, the Adelaide Hills, or even the world-renowned wine regions, often within 20 to 30 minutes. This means less travel time and more time enjoying your vacation. Walkable and bike-friendly. Much of the city centre is easily walkable, and there are excellent bike paths, making it a joy to discover at your own pace. The free City Connector bus also helps you get around with ease. Adelaide's clever design means you spend less time commuting and more time experiencing. 2. A culinary powerhouse, food and wine paradise. Adelaide has firmly established itself as a top-tier destination for foodies and wine lovers. Central Market magic. Picture the Adelaide Central Market, one of the largest undercover fresh produce markets in the Southern Hemisphere. It's a sensory delight, bursting with fresh fruits, vegetables, cheeses, meats, and international delicacies. It's not just a market, it's a vibrant community hub. World-class wine regions. Within a short drive, you'll find some of Australia's most famous wine regions: the Barossa Valley, McLaren Vale, and the Adelaide Hills. Imagine touring picturesque vineyards, tasting exquisite wines, and enjoying gourmet meals amidst stunning landscapes. Diverse dining scene. From elegant fine dining restaurants to cozy cafes and bustling pub scenes, Adelaide offers incredible culinary diversity. You'll find everything from innovative modern Australian cuisine to authentic international flavors, often sourced from local, seasonal produce. If you love to eat and drink, Adelaide will absolutely delight your palate. 3. Beaches and hills. Nature's playground at your doorstep. Adelaide offers a fantastic blend of urban sophistication and natural beauty. Pristine coastline. Imagine stunning, wide sandy beaches just a short tram ride from the city centre. Glenelg Beach is famous for its jetty, vibrant esplanade, and spectacular sunsets, perfect for a swim or a leisurely stroll. The Adelaide Hills escape. Just east of the city, the Adelaide Hills offer a refreshing change of pace. Think rolling green hills, charming villages like Hondorf, Australia's oldest surviving German settlement, wildlife sanctuaries, and scenic drives. It's cooler, greener, and feels a world away. Wildlife encounters. In the hills, you can get up close with native Australian wildlife at places like the Glenelg Wildlife Park, where you can hand-feed kangaroos and cuddle a koala. Whether you prefer the sea breeze or mountain air, Adelaide has it all within easy reach. 4. Festival capital and arts scene. Culture around every corner. Adelaide truly lives up to its title as Australia's festival city. Year-round vibrancy. The city hosts a packed calendar of events. The Adelaide Fringe Festival in summer, February, March, is the second largest fringe in the world, transforming the city into a kaleidoscope of performances, comedy, and art. The Adelaide Festival showcases world-class arts and culture, and the WOMAD Adelaide brings global music and dance to the Botanic Park. Rich arts and culture. Beyond the festivals, Adelaide boasts excellent galleries and museums, like the Art Gallery of South Australia and the South Australian Museum, offering everything from Aboriginal art to natural history. Live music and entertainment. From intimate venues to grand concert halls, there's a thriving live music scene, alongside a diverse array of theatrical productions and cultural events throughout the year. If you're a culture vulture, Adelaide's vibrant art scene will keep you entertained. 5. Historic charm and green spaces, a beautiful blend. Adelaide is a city that beautifully preserves its heritage while embracing modernity, surrounded by lush parklands. Architectural elegance. Picture elegant colonial buildings, grand churches, earning it the nickname, City of Churches, and beautifully preserved Victorian and Edwardian architecture that tells the story of its past. Parklands belt. Uniquely, Adelaide is encircled by a magnificent ring of parklands, offering vast green spaces, botanical gardens, and walking trails right on the city's doorstep. It's a breath of fresh air amidst the urban environment. River Torrens. The River Torrens gently winds through the city and the parklands, offering scenic river cruises, paddle boating, and beautiful spots for picnics and relaxation. Adelaide's commitment to green spaces and heritage makes it a particularly pleasant and picturesque city. Conclusion. Adelaide, South Australia, is truly an amazing city that deserves a spot on your travel bucket list. Its unique blend of effortless accessibility, world-class culinary delights, stunning natural landscapes, and a vibrant arts and culture scene creates an experience unlike anywhere else in Australia. It's sophisticated yet laid back, historic yet forward-thinking, and offers a warm welcome to everyone who visits. Don't just take our word for it, come and discover the magic of Adelaide for yourself. Outro. What intrigues you most about Adelaide? Have you ever visited, or is it now on your travel radar? Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, share this video with anyone planning an Australian adventure, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing travel inspiration from around the globe. Thanks for watching.